Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Canva to Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, uh, open your Chrome and let's go to Canva. Now here open any random design. I'm going with this one. Okay. Now after opening the design, go on top right corner and click on share. Now here, click on these three dots and see all. Let's scroll down. Here you can see Google Drive. Click on it and now click on connect Google Drive. Sign in with your account. Click on continue. Now from here select what permission you want to give to Canva. Like see and download all your Google Drive files, see, edit, create and delete only the specific Google Drive files you use with this app. So maybe go with this option, see, edit, create and delete only the specific Google Drive files. Check this box and click on continue. Okay, now from here you can directly send your Canva files to Google Drive. That's it for the video. That's how you can connect Canva to Google Drive. Thanks for watching.